This is a 16-year-old extended version of the drama. Now it's in such a field. If you haven't seen it, first look at the car condition. The homely G55 like a sausage. One watering stain can be seen everywhere. There are also a lot of broken accessories. Kitchen ventilation duct. It can be seen that the cost placed by the owner before is not low. There is a hangover on the respray paint surface. Gave us the car halfway through. There was a power surge. Just like a new car. Set the direction and open it directly. Remove the seat. The heat button in the back of the original car has been moved to the front. The reason for the abnormal sound. The ceiling is because of the partition in the back row. And hot melt adhesive has filled the sunroof track. Very messy. In the process of dismantling the Meridian door panel. It's all from the company. After counting, there are more than 80 in total. Except the window in the middle of the body is an extended part. The material of the back door panel after manually lengthening the door panel. You can see the weld marks on his back door. It looks rusted inside. That's not enough. There is also glass glue as big as a sandbag on the other side. We need to hurry up and disassemble this car. After emptying the meter, the speed limit is very random. Store all the accessories in the car. Remove the speed limit connected to the front and shell. Preparing for the movie. Wait until the front is empty. It's time for our new season crossing again. After separating the hull, skirt and welding position, completely rotten. Stay with yourself longer. The rust stone hull is the real age of the car. Then this is what makes this car. He has to go through for major engineering departments. It's as easy as putting an elephant in the refrigerator. Let's dream garage offensive explosion. It is estimated that it will make you watch very cool. Oh, I'll go. Glass glue rubber keys, this rubber strip, and eradicate. Finally, the rusted position of the car shell is not fully repaired. In general, after the vehicle is empty, put on dry ice and wait about 15 minutes. The sound of shrinking and cracking in the cold. Then this method is not light. Get up special. Because it just satisfies the asphalt. Needs to be cleaned up. It's to avoid hot air gun baking asphalt. During the paint stripping process, it doesn't have a good peeling effect. They use putty, it's got fiber putty in it. What is this operation? And there's parrot ash on the bottom. The outermost one is ordinary round gray. But that's not the worst part. After the whole car was roughly stripped of paint. Otherwise, the meaning of the movie will be lost. The skirt shape on both sides has been adjusted by the edge press. At the same time, use masking paper to set the original reaction shape. Let's bring the movie closer to the original. Try to be as naked as possible. Then this time the glass cone is sandblasted. Due to the abrasive powder in the sandblasting workshop, there is a splash on the lens. Let everyone experience the process together. The principle of sandblasting is compressed air. In the process of impact, the surface coating is removed. It can also remove the burrs left by our welding. The foot curtains will form a uniform rough surface. Riders who watch our videos should. Then this time, let's talk about the movie in the system. We need to degrease the iron sheet of the car shell. Someone said before that they have not seen the phosphating process. Environmental treatment of alternative phosphating process. Combined with electrophoretic paint, it will also be better than 400 hours of phosphating. Silicone finishing solution treatment completed. We have a negative electrode on the body. The role of numerical particles in power plants. Then comes the post-movie cleaning. The last step is drying and curing. Dry car shell. Our clerk is finished with the car shell. The surface of the extended welding position is not rusted much. A large area of rust stone appeared. Because this car has an oversized drop tank, the speed limit is squeezed between the girder and the fuel tank. Has rusted these limits too. There is still oil leakage in the head box. Well, since the whole car is surging, we decided to rust the girders first. Make anti-rust. In fact, the owner initially thought that a lot of rust. Just decided. Give him a bath as a whole. After the car shell is sprayed with epoxy midway base and structural glue, stability of sealing and enhancing rebar structure, and chassis armor. We hope to accompany the owner for longer. We have a total of 4 processes for the paint on the car shell. Paint blue paint. Due to the lack of water-based paint, it feels like a new car. Refurbishment of chassis parts. We will show you during the installation process. Repair and asked, do we have better interior accessories? That's the right person to ask. Due to the success of interior electronics, the removed old car accessories, just after we connect the accessories, new seats for the background, the carriage will leave a large space. I'm good at that, because the installation position of the new seats is different. Base seat reinstallation, so you don't cut the body. When we're done, we can assemble the whole car. Didn't make any major changes in the car this time. Everything is original. We found two old high street roofs. It kind of satisfies the owner's need not to have wooden boards. In addition, due to the long body, we also specialized in compressors and air ducts. Realize the freedom of heating and cooling, but the effect after completion. Before I show you the final renovation effect, check for the owner. The renovation standards in my heart. Holding hands with me for the rest of my life. If one day the wind and snow. Now! I love my heart because my hometown never hated it. In the mundane world, the rain falls endlessly. Look at Phi Hue and not done. The night wind blows me. Another half a year. Finally left us. What the hell is such a big carriage for? Well, anyway, I hope we can all drive the car of